What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. We have Jabba's party, my people. D, Annie, TT, and the whole family get to it. You see me, I say, them go on with themselves. You see, me I go share that with one of my people. I also have World Dog. You know what I mean? Me I go just show a little clip with World Dog. Stalking man, attacking man. You see me? My talking man. Him have some things to say about I, you know what I mean? A whole lot of people. See, also we have Otto a respond to World Dog and what World Dog say about him. See, also my people we have Come this up cause see, and I say should I make youth visit the mother, but should I never make the youth visit cause. You see me I say we also have Ivany and Blamdem link up with people. We have Blamdem at this up Rosealee wicked. You see me I say, so it's safe to say right now Blamdem is back in full force and Rosealee, boy give it to Rosealee my people. Also Ivany join in and beat Rosealee to my people. So me have that to share with Uno. So I say, I don't know if I left out nothing, but if I left out nothing, it'll go in the video. So let me know what you think, my people. We're gonna get in it right now.
Top call me name, please. You come and talk about forgiveness like no man I look for forgiveness. Boy, I want to man. You put food on my table, you. You push key in my door. Just love me name, that's all me ask her, please. The last time you do it, you send Swiss like your blood clot done. You send Swiss. If you come and tackle me, I have to say Swiss, oh, me a big man, you know. Remember last time, you know. When you go to Jamaica in a bossy, the last time you come and you send Swiss. And I say Swiss, me a big man. And Swiss say, oh, I cut me off and rate it and I just love it. I don't argue with man because I don't need man company, bad man. So I love you over where you're there, love me alone. And years now, my daughter can't find one screen record with me, I call the name over here. My daughter can't find sitting when me a chat about you or nothing related to you. Please, just love me alone. Because I don't see you, I just pray and see me need that. Do. The first time I come and you tell me about my mother and one bag of sitting and my woman this and my woman that, I don't say nothing to you. I come, I'm address my people them, I don't even say nothing to you. I leave you alone. Please, I'm asking, leave my name out of your mouth. That's all me ask. I don't need no forgiveness. Up to now, you don't even grasp the concept what make me in a deal. Bro, you're sad. I don't need no forgiveness on a man. I never you cut me off and me cut you off. Remember that. Me in a deal 5 months before you come cuss me on the internet. Remember good. Remember 5 months what of us not talking, no connection, nothing. Me never have. And then you come up one day because you see your views them a shake and you come and call me name and diss me. Remember good. So me don't need no forgiveness on you. Alright, bossy, just leave me name alone. Because I don't trouble you over here. Me over here do me one little thing. I don't know where you over there so I do. Because, bro, me don't even see up on me for you sometime. If you never call me name to them, how to see you? No to see you. Me don't even see up on me for you again. Me don't even come for your life. Me see you in my life multiple times. I'm not trouble you. Me not say nothing to you. Please, just love me alone. If you try to stir up the internet to go back up on top, do. Just love me name out time. Call whosoever name I want call. Notice the first time I answer you, I not answer you now, I just tell us if you leave me name, please and thank you. Leave me name. Leave me name. Me know say, yeah, you have to do it for catch back the people, man, rated, but just leave me name, please, me I ask you. I'm in a trouble people, and before me trouble you, me love you alone. Notice, what I'm between me and you don't even know yourself, because I just cut you off, brother. So I don't need no forgiveness for you, I know what make me love you alone. I hope to know you can't figure it out, but one day when your brain mature enough, and you become old enough and you realize the fuck with them when you keep up in a life, you go remember. You go know. But until then, leave me name, please and thank you. That's all I have to say. Talk about oh, me want team bless support. That's all I cut you. Why? Anyways, chat. Me not this no man, brother. Me not on my style that chat. You know that already. On my style that. Me don't need for this nobody. Me just want to stop calling me. Because me not call female name over here. You understand? Me no need for this no man. At the end of the day, me say I with my friend one time, so you know? Me have that. But me just want to love me alone. Pick for walk and pick for everybody, woman. Because you're upset with fear blood clot one. Do that. Love me name more time. Pick for everybody else, woman. Just love me name more time. Because you're insecure about fear, love me name, please. I don't know how you are so sad and so rich. It don't make sense, brother. Love me name, that's all me I beg. Me not diss you, me not try an argument with you, me just have to leave me name, please. No call back me name. You don't have to forgive me, you don't have to diss me, you don't have to do nothing. Just no member Atto. Because Atto no member you. Me promise you that. If me never see a screen record today, bro. That probably never find me there. Probably never find me. If me never see man today, if man never call me name today, I will see me. Channel. Yeah, on to something new now. We no go on now, people. No go on. Anyways. Moving along. I'm not sit down yet. I'm a cussing pussy clad. I'm not turn up to the boxing match today. Different, man. Different. Brother, I'm telling you, I don't have to come and I don't have to call up nobody name for entertain. I don't have to do none of that. I'm thank God for that, you know? Well, me chat talk it through. When last me hear me talk about this, man? Bro, me try to stay out of every argument.
So, Earl Dog back again, my people. I stir up the internet, as I said before. You know what I mean? And I rub a lot of people the wrong way. You see me? Even Fabi the man rub. The man say Fabi talk like him have arthritis in his mouth. Me say me laugh. Yo, Jano. But you know what I mean? The people sometimes the internet have to stir up and festival, man. But the Earl Dog have to know say yo, him not lucky with people, you see me? And from what day I be a bad luck I reach him. I say I have to be careful, that's all me have to say.
You see Blamdem tonight with Blamdem. If night with Blamdem come over here and show him an address. Me cut off Blamdem off ice screen because me no want have no. I don't say me rate him or nothing, or me have nothing rate. Me just no want have nothing to do with him. Me no want me name attached to female none type of way. Notice me attack now, me even a call him name. Because I don't want nothing to affiliate me and this man. That's why I start dealing with him in the first place. I can't talk about you, forgive me. Me no want have nothing to do with you. Me no want my name related. Me no want my name in the same sentence as yours. Me stand by myself. The last time we kind of fumble up. You diss me and go to Jamaica. I come and play some voice. I didn't even call the name when I did. I play one voice note for butter. Me and you come, you saying Swiss like you're done. Swiss call me. Oh, talk, me not tell us if you call up my name. Swiss. Me not tell us if you tell him man if you leave me alone. Why make you not tell him that when him tell you? And that make you not talk deal with me now. And I say, okay, I see your energy I go. And I leave you alone, bro. I leave you alone. Remember good. I leave you alone. I not trouble you no. I not for this no neither. I just love you no. You come now today. You want peace on internet. You know what to do, you deep down, you know what to do, you know. But no, you have to follow a trend what everybody do. Come and diss people. So you call up everybody. But me I beg you, sir, leave my name out tight. Please. Leave my name out tight. Do. Me not look no forgiveness, me not look nothing. When you figure out, let me tell you when you can call me name. So when you figure out what make me love your company and me cut you off, then you can call me name. But up to now you don't figure it out because your brain not mature yet, brother. Me at 22 and my brain more mature than for you. Me not understand. Hi. I be shut a fire for a night. Hi. But yeah. I'm not trouble you, bro. I know if you want peace on the internet, but love for me name out there, please. Please. When you can articulate yourself and put your words together without then you can call me name. That's all. Brother, there's so many things I could have said to this year, I mean never yet this year. And the way you deal with me on the internet, I deserve this. But you know why I'm in this year? I made a friend. And my friendship different. I don't know how some man pre-friendship, but my friendship different. You know that way there? Yeah. So, until the day we are boy bad enough. I'm not a bad man. So come top me in my blood clot mouth and turn up. Then call up my name. Yeah man, friend, a serious thing man. But yeah chat, that's how me have to say. Me just begin love me name alone. Me not back and forth with no man. Me just have me you get on the internet and go like me a boy, that's how me even can say nothing. Me don't need no forgiveness on a man, brother. Keep your forgiveness. Just love me name. Yeah, me know what this you want. Me know what this you want, man, but you know, give me. Bro, me not understand. How can you know what? Love it alone. Go your own friend push gun in your face so you could defend him. Hey girl, go suck your mother. Why make them push gun in my face so that if you hacks? Hey, you know what? This is not you. This is not you. Because me want to know, if you make out a blood clot still, hey girl, go dig up on your mama. I'm here. Moving along. Me just want in top coming in. For everybody else, this is a trick to get back on the media. Just letting y'all know. Yeah. This is the style and pattern. You know? Things not really happen over there again. So you know, this is the way to get back on top. So you don't even have to follow him up. But me never answer the last time, and me not gonna make no boy go like me a boy to them, cause the man not put no food from my bum buckler table. They pay me own rent. Pussy, me have a house I build on a blood clot yard. Which much black you put pan it? Much black you buy give me? Good. So me no want a man to come boy me up. Alright? Moving on. Anybody sit down and make you cuss him today? I need to cuss down here because he never showed up at the boxing match today and him not answering him phone. Down here you can run but you can't hide. You can run but you can't hide down here. I don't know how you reach a blood class at so. Where I'm gone? Where I'm gone to? Check on him, man. I hide him, I hide. Can you know say boxing match? I hide him a blood clot, I hide him, I hide, man. I tell you now, prepare for war. Anytime they're ready for bomb over here, you know, I just skate the beast go to Canada. Yeah, the outer door me there. I be cricket and thing. I just skate the beast. Anytime me hear something go boom, we're too loud. Canada, Mexico.
Alright, so right here, so we are in the other thing and now we are move on to the next people. But the thing we are going over America right now, my people, everybody they're on edge. You see me, I say everybody are pre right now, them don't know what to do because them are pre the whole bombing situation. But me I telling you still, you know, my people, it's America. Me not say nobody can touch them, you know. But you see, the man we are running off the place, you know, that the man in a play, you know. That the man in a play. You see me, I say? So, I don't think nobody are going to rush America while him in a power. Because, me I tell you, he might annihilate anybody who step foot, you know what I mean, or try something. So, I don't think them have to worry, people in America for yeah, they maybe get drop something upon them at one time. But I don't think them are going to get a second chance to drop nothing. And now that the man them drop something upon Iran, I just feel like say them a look out right through. You know what I mean? Nothing in them ear space as them see something so. They might take it down or you know what I mean? So let me know what I think we'll move on to the next.
One out I two. One out I blood clot too. Me a call down here for morning, man. Him not handsome, him a hide. Down here run from the boxing match today. Him hiding.
Alone bad man, cause me no see none of no bad man. You see me? Me no want a man a call me name bad man and throw no word for me. Cause me not throw no word for none of no bro. You see me? Me I watch a least scare them bad man. Eh? Batty boy, but no suck out to the woman bad man. Bumbo crap, you know, go suck out to the woman. And lower family. And tap fella bad man. A high for a high. The whole place knows a high for a high. Eh? You can post up man mother bumbo crap picture and expect man to laugh about it. And you don't want me don't about it. You don't want to post up the mother picture and then if you say, oh, I saw him pan. Me afraid, me not just suck out your mother batty boy. Cause man not ever see a boy. Where the man say your sons and man not say nothing to you, man just watch you do what you do and man not provoke you. You have your friend them a walk past and looking at man face. Like you feel like you can't make no man. I come down on the front make you see me. And you still ready, you come on TikTok or follow man, bad man. You see me? If you post a man picture, you post a man mother picture and a man react to it. You don't suppose to have no problem. I feel high, bro. And where you broke now, you can't pay a car payment them. You want to cause arguments, you can't money to pay a car payment. Bro, we do not pay a car payment over here. If I cannot buy cash, I won't buy it. That's just me stay in my S-class. Because if I cannot buy cash, I don't buy it. That's just me stay in my S580. You understand? Because if I can't buy the Lamborghini Euros cash, or I'm going to drive Corvette. When I tell them, say, listen to me. I'm a friend, I'm a gunman friend, them I don't get that to drive. Because I don't drive that. Oh, my brother got to take my money by a McLaren. Oh, we're going to stink like a shit. Nobody can go hype on me with take out car and lease car in America. Eh? Remember, say, Mama have good credit, you know. Mama take them out in their name and get to go and pay. So you have to come look problem. For blood clot payment them a month time. And you have more debts. 4 grand for rent. 3,000 for car payment, too much that. Let me check up your bill a month time. More check up your bill a month time. More take up your dog bill a month time. About 4,000 for rent, almost 4,000 for blood clot, lease car, that have 8,000, 2,000 for one car plus insurance. Blood clot, you have a right for the class argument for money. Right? Me say, that's why I say, don't put on a basket where you can't reach. If you cannot make your basket reach, do not do it. You know, say me all fridge. Eh? Look how long it. That's why they say when the lion asleep, now wake him, you know. They say it, you know. You see when you see the lion asleep, don't wake him. Drunker. Hey boy, you know, say me bring her down. Yeah, bro. Yeah. You have a gunman friend that watch me and sons. Eh? You have a gunman friend that watch me. Yeah? Your gunman Yankee friend them, one where you send for how much place. So anyone where you sleep in your blood clot storage house. You can't make none of them kill me because I hide. Not involved in the night. So no make no feds come for me like I see feds go for that them and then. Me no involved. Me a peaceful youth. When I say me top come here come call my name. Because people call me informer. I mean no depend that bro. I mean no want to mix none of man thing. And none of man violence. So stop mix me up bro. What make you want to see me and my family them dead? Eh? You drunker. Left me alone dog shit. Lord, the argument alone, drunker. Dog shit. How you can't pay bills them a one time. In drunker. Dirty batty man. Worthless cruff. Dog shit. Thinking batty man. How you can't pay bills a one time. Don't call me name bad man. You see me? You see man a vibe don't allow TikTok do. Now we want me to come on TikTok or the batty man them. For them say me I look them. Me not agree with no batty man. People, let me tell you this. 3 things. 3 type of people you can't agree. Batty man and woman. You ever hear me come by a concuss no woman? You never hear me come by a concuss no woman. A boy me come here concuss. Me not cuss no woman. If you no cuss woman, other woman don't like you and don't like you. And you no cuss with batty man. When you cuss with a batty man, the batty man you say, when they see me go call Derek name, me see Derek come on live and say, skin out. Blamdem, come here. Me say, me not call back no batty man name. So if you call Batman name, bro, they will bring you down with them. Because they are no class. I bet you go bust a shot in their head. That's why I tell myself, if the Batman they call me name again, I go make him and murder him in the park. So instead of me hug with him, I turn from foreign and make somebody murder him. Because I don't hug with the Batman, I probably kill them. So you don't see me hug with a straight man and cuss them, say my Batman, I just that. Because no straight man now can tell you, say, yeah, you have to come skin out and rare. No straight man and that. So better me hard with them.
The people, me know say Roseall have him time on him. Him just come address everything in the media, like everybody will ever say anything about him. The Atto part, me no know about that because me no know if Atto say nothing about him still. You know what I mean? Me no know if behind closed door or in some circle Atto maybe say something, you see me, and reach back to him why him say that or him have that on him a long time. But we know Rosealee dawg by now say him will come off of the radar when it come to like mix up and passa, but every now and then him will come adjust situations what go on, and even long time situation him will adjust same way because him have it boil up and him just want to let it out. You see me? Because he's a man where him don't keep nothing too long. Him have to come talk it. See? So me want to tell me what to think if like when these people are called Rosealee dawg name, alright, so for instance Blamdem. When you call Rosealee dawg name, Rosealee dawg no respond. So Rosealee dawg adjust some situations, you know, and decide to just respond to him. So he may be gone a long time, but him have to remember say, yo, him this the man first, and I know the man answer him. But let me know what I think we watch some more.
But you wind up in a crop top and me cuss you for your hype. And me tell her, I say, Rosealee dawg, me nah not get say just a hype me there look. Where the pearl on the argument for? Lord, the argument for how much year, last year to how much year, you come with the argument, they look hype. Come on, for me name bad man, you fuck man. Eh? You know see? You me say the set there for go, can me name gas station, say me traumatize him. So something you do and me law you alone. Bad man law me alone, go fight war with the man them where really do things. When me cannot go war, man them will shoot you. Left me alone, batty boy. They come to, oh, I have this, I have that. Bro, nobody no bad man, no bad man, nobody no bad. Anybody can go buy a car in America. Anybody can go put on one down payment from 60 grand I want. Not even 60 grand. If you lease, you put on 4 grand and go lease any car you want. Nobody no busy boy or nothing bad man. Tap come to people, but people bad mind. Nobody don't see you, man. Why you looking at attention of other people? Go and go look at work, batty man. Leave me alone and my family. You put up my family picture. I put up an address. So make way per long argument for you. Batty man, you fuck man. That fella say when the lion asleep, don't wake it up. Cause man they are all them. Look here. Me no come on TikTok from when I'm full of money see me. See that? So uno can't mind me pan here, me rich. Me come here with me money. Me no hungry like a Rosealee dawg them. Look here, me no come here from when I still have money. So no can't say a TikTok a mind me. Me no come here from when I'm full of money same way. I me no come here from when. So all of you still have text. Lord me alone bad man. Me Lord TikTok you know. Me Lord you know that when you want me to come here and cuss the batty man. So then if you come down, I only put them up. Can me take them down from a man and I still put them up. So what do you want me do? Eh? Me not argue with no batty man, bro. Me not argue with no batty man. Left me alone, bad man. When you go look at work, bad man, I go suck out to no mama. When you text it by me for? Eh? Because you call me name for batty boy. When you go suck out your blood clot, you know if you go dig up a dead mama out of your grave. And take him up and suck him. Go dig up a dead mama, batty boy. And left me alone. Batty boy, you post up my mother picture. And you know if you do it, pussy. Make everybody know my mother. But oh, you dep on Facebook. Nobody knows my mother that batty boy. You make the people them know. Because suck out your mother, batty boy. You the people them know my mother. Nobody knows my mother. You make the people them know. Batty boy. So don't call use a style like I say I look sympathy. Batty boy. But oh, you foundation. Foundation as a batty man. But you have we have foundation like you can manipulate the people on the internet. Here's a croft pussy. Come have a people named Batty Boy and allow people alone. Batty Boy, you look a low life. Come and text it from people. When you want to shoot everybody, you want to kill everybody, you want set man to kill man, you put money per man head. You walk at top where you want to give this man money to kill this man. Go suck out your mother, Batty Boy, and allow people alone. Batty Boy. You look a low life. Stop the violence, dog shit. You know, since I'm not going to prison. Low violence alone, Batty Boy. And go work. Go suck out your mother, Batty Boy, and low violence. They call me name for Batty Boy. You know, say never throw no word for me, I know Batty Boy. You look a low life. Come and tell everybody to suck out their mother. If you go suck out your mama. Make you not go find your dead mama. Eh? How are you vex through me through how you do vex through Show me and mama you know none in dog shit. Go find your mama and go suck out him. And that boy jayden go suck out your mother too. Batty boy, I will on no hypocrite. That's why Ramisha fuck you all on. You don't think that me change? Me tell say I producing me I do and still come here. Like I don't want me to come chase you know. Me not tell say I producing me I do me done with mix up and son. Where this a batty boy I come call me name for. You ever hear saying say you can't take a lion out of the jungle, but you can't take a lion out of time. Remember say me a drunk you know. So what go change me from being a drunk? So in time I remember if you call me name, I always remember say this is the same Blamdem that come in here and make trouble. So not change. So it's time thing for call me name, I remember say me a drunk. Alright, you know look up bumble crosses, you know. Where you call me name for your batty man? Come and come call me name at the church for me. Batty boy, you look sympathy. You're all criminal and batty man. All dog shit. Cause me there say dog I hold them bad man and me no say nothing no. I don't come and come call me name, man. Come on for TikTok and money still I make, and I'm still bad man. You know, say people are sending me all the money and I'm still left here so. Suck out to the mama, man. You know, dog shit, you know. I don't want to depend on TikTok with you, no bad man. Go suck out to the mama. You know, go on with the TikTok. Batty boy, don't call me name Batty boy. I want to put up a Batty man them. I could not go custom it and custom the back. Every people want to see the Batty man them. Me tell the people to tap support them. Look at bad man, you have your pitney bad man. Remember, you know, I be a pitney of TikTok. I be a child of TikTok, bro. And if you say, you pick them the part TikTok I watch him for Batty man, I ain't no good, bro. And I want to say when I support him and them. Because if you didn't support the Batty man them, they done gone already. That me I tell you no, bro. When I support the Batty man them, I know him and them get popular, and the man them sister no entertain them, and the man them now go nowhere. Because Batty man like them, so they Batty man like clout. So when I support him and them, and the man them like it. I want to take down him and them, I can't take them down. I can't take me come here and say, on top support him and them. Top give him and them views. Top make him and them feel comfortable. I want to make him and them go viral. And when I watch Bumbuckler one for you, I see a Bumbuckler woman having pitney walking in a man. The woman holding pitney a tear off his neck. I say, I love a woman there. A woman dead. Nah, make him pitney go that way there. Shalom, bad. You say, Shalom, I want to look a bad mind, boy. You know, you have out them batty man they are coming now, you know. But where they have out the man them, where come, as you come on TikTok, you have out. Where Shalom they come out the batty man them? Where Shalom there? Where Shalom there? Well, I know a hypocrite. Because suck out to the big stinking mama. I don't know what I'm saying with you. I go and left your suck you, go suck out to the mama. I don't know if you just know, so no call me name, because I don't want to mix with you. Because I know a drunk and shit house. When I look at dog shit and shit in a bucket. When you come here, I feel like some man for laugh up with you and so look at batty man and waste people. I laugh up with you now. When you go near me to no sour mama. And tap mix up my name. Because I don't follow no bad man. Don't call me name like a batty low life boy. Because suck out your mother batty boy and call me name. You look a low life batty boy. Don't mix me name. No set up boy my name or my story. Batty boy. You look a low.
Boy, I mean, I like real dog start Blamdem me people. Real dog put a batchy in a Blamdem back. Not really put a batchy, but start him up. Cause Blamdem went on for you this up Rosealee and sitting. You know what I mean? So all the trouble him get it. You see. But let me know what they think people don't chat too long. We watch some more.
Low life batty man. Come and feel like you can use vanity and tricky people. Me a low life batty boy. Tell the people I'm so hungry batty boy and car payment a killer. And lease payment. Go suck your mother, batty boy. We cannot go buy a house, batty boy in a foreign. Go suck your mother boy. I go buy a house in Jamaica. I look a low life pussy. Don't come mix me. Batty boy. Me can't go anywhere in Florida. You can't go anywhere, batty boy. You can't go anywhere in Florida, you can't go anywhere. You look a low life batty boy, you come and call me name. No call me name, I'm going to suck out your mama. You look a batty boy, come and mix up my name. You know you look a banger ranging, go suck your mama. You post man picture, man people picture, and me post back a picture. A high for your high. Go suck your mama fish dad. You take me change. In batty boy. You see man, a batty boy. Oh, that's my high for your high. Go near out your mother batty boy. What you do? You want when you do fuck with people for them by your side. You don't want nobody. Hey boy, go suck your mama that said no request, batty boy. Go suck your mother.
Suck your mother, boy. I feel like you're bomb
Go
class.
suck out your mother, little boy. The 6th name. Go suck out your mother that said no request. Look at batty boy, go suck out your mama. Go batty boy consent. Go suck out your mother that said no request. Batty boy. Yeah, send me request. Yeah, me fuck man. Yeah, send man request like I have batty man. I spam me chat like I have batty man. Where send me know your little boy can send me request, suck out your mother. Look at low life boy can send man request, bad man. Like I tell me fuck man, bro. Cause suck out your mother and send me request, batty boy. And you're not gonna send a batty man friend them request. All I know is some little low life man, you bad man. Me I see him drunker from a couple months ago. So nobody take me change. Me I see him drunker. Like when remember say I blame them, I see him drunker pussy. Don't come for me, don't call me name batty boy, me I see him drunker. You can't take a monkey out of blood clot jungle, but you can't take a monkey out, a lion out of jungle. You can't take a lion out, me I feel drunker. You don't go and take me can't tame. Pussy when you can't call me name, you call me name batty man. All big pussy Rosealee come a ball for internet for cock. You big and thick no bumbo class and what this. Take a people money and me look all me tell say Rosealee take no money go buy cock. Rosealee take no money mind jakes. Big thinking so Rosealee they come for internet ball for cocky. You fucking cruff. If I'm here on me not send him back $1. Come for internet ball for cocky. You big and thick no bumbo class. You're supposed to shame. You have a right to go back to jakes because you're not better than that. Nobody, which right man will come sit down with a big thinking ras. You big and think for your cow. Big thinking wheel. You fucking idiot and ball for cocky. You big and think no bumbo clot and so on. And nasty and what this. But big cow balling over cocky. You big and think no bumbo clot. You want to kill yourself. You can't want to kill yourself with cocky. You big and what this no bumbo clot. You big thinking cuff. Big what this big woman. Me I say this a big woman as I found 30. Or 30 years old a ball over cocky. The big and what this bumbo clad, the big thinking Rosealee. Me I say this woman has no ambition. You fucking what this like. Which woman can make me come by come ball like this woman has set up me. Every girl me know me this time. Me never have a woman me not time to suck out him woman. Me tell the girl to suck out them mother flying. And give them money and buy them out after. Tell her if you go suck out a girl, go suck out your mother. And then buy out after. And friend out after. Make you say me toxic. Nobody can make me balls up. I suck out your mother Rosealee. You think no bumbo clock, where you want? Go on with a batty man Jake, big thinking Jakes. If man take him, man no must take him money by pussy. Look on Rosealee, man can't lift you up. Man tell you look a bit, look. You're there on live, you sit down, make him man pushing cocky in you. On live. Then man tell you then lame fuck there. Man want young girl to fuck. You fuck up Rosealee, you big and think. Man tell you, then you think Jake's one good young pussy. Jake said that then blood clot, something we have a provide. You need to go do your body, dog shit, guy gym. You two bumbo clot what this. One eye gym. Go gym for 1 year. And lose weight so and then you go bumbo clot Colombia. And then you make them cut out the fat and flatten your belly. You look, you're sick to muck. You're sick to muck. You tell all the man but you're fucker man. Which other man will take you up? Tell me now, you have to go buy a cock to the dead. Then which righted man will sit down with a Rosealee? Tell me now. Which righted man not this hurt? Rosealee, you can't find the righted man. I don't want to. Hello, where you want now? Can you send me request? Why pray?
Hey babe, how are you doing?
Yo, you have visa? You have visa?
No.
Eh?
No.
I mean, that fuck you. Hold on, me come. Like her, she like me send her back. I say you have to toxic people, I say you have to make your girl them see as toxic. Well, I send her a good girl, me not this her. She have. People she always big me up now, me not. Hey baby, how are you doing,
Hey,
baby?
I'm good, babe. You possessing
Oh,
now?
you look good, I love you, I like you.
I like it too.
Me I bring down Rosealee, when me done bring down Rosealee, me come back to you. You hear me, baby?
Alright,
I
babe.
done bring.
Alright.
Yeah. was a big and thick no bumbo clad. Which right with man also with that big thinking Rosealee. Eh? But Mr. Rosealee, my cock can't turn up. My cock can't turn up for that big stinking wheel there, you mad? Eh? Then I mean I'm right mind that cock can't turn up for all that big thinking wheel there. Eh? That my cock see Rosealee gone down to bumbo clad. My cock can't turn up for something like that. Fall GX in too much trunk. You feel a cow in a bumbo clad, bro. You go blood clot. Blood clot. You're mad, Rosealee. You sick too much in a bumbo clad. And you think, you come on life every day. You sit down, you know, like beard. You're nasty. You're bad mind. You walk this, you think. You're not like beard. You're sit down in all one close. You're Rosealee, you think. The man wants to see fresh pussy. You're big and think, and you walk this, and you're sour. Rosealee, now, the man don't want to sit down with that big thinking way like you're big and stink. You're nasty. You don't like beard. There's a walk this wretch. You stink. You're nasty. You don't like beard. You don't want to take care of yourself. You got gym for 1 month, then you tap. Who goes along with something like you? You're slung for life with Batman wall there. Your favorite Ryan or you stink. You're slung with the Batman them for life wall there. I say, Rosealee, stop promote the Batman them, make them go viral. Stop do that. You need to stop promote the Batman them. You're slung, you promote them. Me give me hype, you make you Batman. How this happen? Anybody like that about this respect? They can't be the man so called about family. You look a big thinking way. You slung, who was slung with the Rosealee? You slung pan live with the Batman them. You slung pan live with the Batman them. You make your Batman them go viral. And you make your Batman them go viral. Because if I name you Batman them, who do get no hype? So then, that's your car and drunk from.
Hey, who ya cuss?
Big thinking Rosealee. Rosealee me the cuss and world up.
Eh?
Rosealee me the cuss. Rosealee me the cuss.
Right now, Ivany and Roll Dog are friends still, so I think Ivany are going to get involved in this little passa what go on. But me could hear what go on if she have nothing to say still. Know what I mean?
Are your friend?
Who that?
Yeah. So, what me I say now? Listen to me, Ivany. Tell me now, Ivany. If you're the big and things so like a Rosealee, you do got gym. Eh? If you're big and things so like a Rosealee, where you look at yourself?
See, man, I call me. The wall me, I come, mom. The man, I call me. Me so come there.
Alright, go and go suck cock. Your blood clot, then, yeah. Big, something like that. Big, nasty Rosealee. Then who couldn't really slung with that? You have to have shame and class, drunk crop. Call my name. Call my name.
Don't know. I like big old black gaga. Blamdem, you figure a little bit.
Eh?
You walk with big wood and you walk with big
Ivany, right now, if you get that wood there, love it. Come find out. I come if you come find out, Ivany. Come find out. Because Ivany, listen to me. Ivany, lucky cocky me have it up. Ivany, it's like how you buy car, me cocky you give your house. Ask the guy, bro. I may buy the house too, because me my woman hard. Listen to me, Ivany. Ivany, you believe me say, Ivany, you believe me say 2 Benz, me buy 2 girls from the hair start. 2 Benz car. 2 Benz car.
Tell me more.
And me buy one girl one bigger car. Me get a girl recently, like 2 weeks ago, me give a girl one bigger money to buy a bigger car. So if you come fuck me, you get house money. So Ivany, you come look at me.
But, hey, Blamdem, you look good in real life, you know.
This is a good Rosealee.
When they are the old dog.
Buy cocky, buy cocky.
Rosealee,
pay
me
for the
say you
cocky.
stop crying because me can't afford to take you out of the house when time you can't
Rosealee, go to the gym. Go to the gym.
Rosealee,
pay for your body.
don't
Fix
cry,
up your
baby.
body. Fix up your body.
Don't cry.
Take care of your body. Take care of your body.
Rosealee, don't
Stop
cry.
by cocky. Take care of your body.
Sometimes
Take care of your body.
a girl only
Stop by
put
cocky.
better than
Stop
fear.
by cocky. Stop
You
by
understand
cocky.
me?
Take care of your body.
And when a girl only put
5
better than
neck,
fear,
7 neck,
it
3
might
neck,
have to fuck
5
for
belly,
you.
5 neck, 5
Don't
belly.
cry, Rosealee. Don't cry. Everything will be alright.
Rosealee.
It'll be alright. I've been
Your body
through
no
it,
look good, so you have to buy cock.
I've been
Your body
through
no
it,
look
in a
good, so you have to
Rosealee.
buy cocky. Your body no look good, so you have
Then
to buy cocky.
Rosealee, if
Your
you're
body no look
gonna
good, so you
fuck
have to
for you,
pay for the
imagine my
cocky.
man. You know that we not safe. You know that we not safe,
Rosealee,
brother.
Rosealee, you don't look good. Jake so always fuck by
If
you.
Jake's
Come
a
here, come on,
fuck
my
for
friend
you, me
them.
not safe,
We have to
brother.
buy cocky.
I'll couple on you and couple on me. And Jake's a give you about. Who's my man?
But Ivany, stop the fuck.
Don't
Look on
cry.
him. Look on him tongue ring. You could have suck Jake's cock. Your
I
body
girl
no look
them
good.
bad man,
You
you
have
can
to
good
fix your
girl.
body.
The girl them bad man, you
You have to go there
can
neck,
good girl.
Rosealee. Suck out the
And
fat
can
out
look
your
up here,
neck.
I go and see
Suck
a
out the
girl
fat
and
out your
run in
neck.
for your rose.
Suck out the
You hear
fat out
me?
your breast. Suck out your belly. And do tummy tuck.
You
and
hear
put
me,
in your
Rosalie,
body.
baby?
So you
Don't
look
cry,
good.
okay, baby?
You're big and fat and think no blood clot.
No, Blamdem, why
No,
you
no
got
life.
Rosalie? You
No,
can't
me have
go
to bring him
through
down,
it.
cause single life, single
So
life. Look, big fat sour witch. Big
Where
fat
Rosalie
thinking
dear?
well.
Blamdem, where Rosalie
Big
dear?
thinking
Rosalie not there,
Rosalie.
no.
No, me have to bring him down same way, cause him have
No,
carry the
man, the
matrimony.
Rosalie are with friend.
No,
And
tomorrow,
she'll go to one rough moment. You have to uplift her at the point.
well,
You can't,
that
you know?
where that have to do with me. So where that have to do with
No,
me?
but when you see your friend,
No, you're not my fan. I'm a tough fan. Go to the gym. Go to the gym. You need to, Rosealee, I'm gonna take you to the gym. Gym. G-I-E-M. 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 Go to the gym. Go to the gym. Go to the gym. G-E-G-Y-M. Gym. Gym, not Tim. Gym, not Tim. Go to the gym, not Tim. Big thinking whale. Big fat sour whale. Whale. Big thinking whale. Big thinking whale. Whale. The fucking crook, you fucker, you big and think no bumbo clad. Jake so always fuck by you.
I'll come for me one. Blamdem, you done? You done so what you say?
Yeah.
You done talk?
No, I'm not done. I want to break me tech.
Alright,
And then after when you're done, well, I'm not done yet. I want to break me a tech. I'm not done yet. Let me tell you, Rosa, listen to me. You're too big and sour. Jake so always on you. And there's nothing you don't pick up I yard yet. Which man in the right mind don't pick up you and yard yet? No man not pick you up, Rosalie. You're big and think. No man not pick you up, put you in a car. Look how you're big and think and sour. I in your mind. A man not come pick up you. In your mind. No man not. Which man not drive come pick you up? Eh? Which man not drive come pick you up? Tell me now. No right man not their mind not drive come pick you up.
Well, people, let me tell you this. You see, the internet is not a place to come look sympathy. Better you buy a shrimp patty. You see me I say? Because nobody not sympathize with you. Especially over TikTok, when views come off a bring down. Views come sometime off a sympathy, you know. But the most views come off a bring down. So them people, yeah, them are go more if you bring you down than sympathize with you. Especially Blamdem. You know, see Ivany, jayden and this up Rosealee. Make watch some more people.
No man not drive come pick you up. You're too big and think and sour. So tap tell the people, tap make your mind trick you. No make your mind trick you. Tap make your mind trick you and tell us man now come pick you up. No man now come pick you up. A Jake's alone want you. Jake's first, number one, you're big and think and sour. Your shape bad. Plus, you have two pitney. Nobody know, Rosealee, you're wasting your time. But you're a slung in a bun. At least in come home to you. You know? You fuck my and come home to you. You have to just accept it. There's nothing you could do about it. You know? At least in come home to you. You know the way to accept it. You know? And I like say my sleep out. In come home to you. You know? Yeah, you know, Rosealee, at least in come home to you. So you have to understand. Remember, you know, you and him in a long relationship. One cocky, one pussy kill cocky. You see me? One pussy kill cocky. So you have to go out there and, you know, and inside of you. You see? Yeah. Blood clot. I'll be a massive man of support.
If Ivany, if you come out what you want.
If you come out with the
You know me love you.
stop Blamdem. They don't
Rosealee,
talk.
you know me love you, yeah?
Me no want you none from you. Just do what you do. You don't talk.
Ah, Jesus, Rosealee
You
vex.
finish talk, sir.
Mr. Me love this girl.
When you gonna start going to the gym?
You don't talk.
Question can answer question. Question can answer question. When you gonna start that gym? Question can answer. When you gonna go to the gym?
Lord Jesus,
Got suck out him, man, bigger. Then we busy about him. I Jimmy if you bumbo clog or in my low life. Rosealee if you go to the gym. In big and think no bumbo clog. Go to the gym. When you come give me a link.
You want to skin it out? You want you
Blamdem, big up a nice thing. Rosealee, Ivany got suck out him. Murder big. Dog, me no like Ivany got suck out your mother. Me done with the Ivany. Got suck out your mother, sell pussy Ivany. You just sell pussy and better. You're big and think no bumbo clad. Big thinking for Ivany. Then all me now can really take my $20. Go pay Ivany big thinking. See? Ivany got suck out your mama. Then I joke me and make mood of you. Then me can't want to fuck something like you. Go suck out your mother Ivany. You're big. No send me no request. Go suck out your mother. Me not have a request. You're big and think no bumbo clad. Then me can pay my $20 if you go see that thing there. That herb. Me if you go pay $20 if you go see. Go suck out your mother Ivany. You're big and think no bumbo clad and fuck out. You see I be a Yankee if you go fuck. When you know your thinking reputation. You see a Yankee if you go fuck. You have to fuck some Yankee when you know your reputation. Cause I know when you have big thinking, dirty reputation, would I never push my cock in your hole. I must piss me than piss in your mouth. You old dog shit. Go suck out your mother Ivany. You big and thick no bumbo clog. A Yankee have and the right to Jamaica and now take you up with your dirty pussy where they on Google. Then I'll how we breed you. Oh we must not no ambition. I must say I last. Oh we want to look careless, dirty batty man. We breed you. You think no bumbo clog. You see half is war for you man cocky. I be a dirty Yankee when you know your thinking reputation. We are still and suck out your thinking. You have to sit down and fuck. Because I know when your reputation would push my today. You're big and take no bumbo clot. You look careless fuck out rich. Because suck out your mother Ivany. You're big and what this a bumbo clot. You're for a lad. You're fist sleeve. You're tough. You want a man panic up. You're big and take no bumbo clot. Because suck out your mother Ivany. You look a dirty Batman. I don't know how I buy Batman empire. I feel like saying if you come here. Because suck out your mother and the Batman them. They say I left me there Jamaica. Me murder on no bumbo clot. Go suck out your mother big thinking Ivany. You big and think no bumbo clot and what this. Go suck out your mother from back here. Look a low life fuck out Ivany. Ivany go suck out your mother. Dog shit. Go suck out your mother Ivany. You fuck out dog shit yo. Go suck out your mother Ivany. You fuck out dog yo. You have big pussy Rosealee. Then after I lie me I tell I want me to come here come play pocket with you. What the fuck me I do with all Rosealee? I last man per earth and a JX. And that's why JX and Ivany and Bumbo Clan Rosealee there. Which of them don't take up big thinking Rosealee? Only if you tell the girl it's short. So now that man now go want her. What the fuck you now slung and tell it make it put full up a girl head like man. Who the fuck are they Rosealee? Only if you talk short man that's sound not like me because me talk short. Only if you tell the people them short and tap make them have hopes. Only fucking idiot. Today, because I must think that me right. Me tell you, say me a mad man, you know, only things that me change. I think Ivany and my friend, I see my style.
I didn't mean it.
You don't rate me bad man, I mean,
no,
everything good, you don't rate me bad man.
Sorry, Nicki Minaj.
I'm Batman in life, like you want the Batman, I like you want
no, Blamdem, you know I'm under the mood. Die, Blamdem, me name mean it, man. Me sorry. Me say me just if somebody send me a request and me accept the same time. When me accept it and me say oh, me say Blamdem run, Batman and me run.
Well, me come on me give Batman the hype. I see me and me hype. Me and me big old hype, 6,000 people there.
Oh man, change your picture. You want change your name and camera. You know see what me I drink? Don Julio. I'm drinking Don Julio.
Okay.
Me under one vibe.
Ask the people. And people think that Ivany do it for purpose.
No,
yes. She do it for purpose, paper.
Yes. Me under one vibes.
And if Fanny Queen says so, I believe. Fanny Queen says so, I listen to a queen. Come on for this bumbo clock, dog shit. People them say, yeah, you do it for some people say no, you do it for purpose, Ivany. You want to bring me down. Cause me say you want to take me high. You all dog shit. You're gonna say uno come by and uno no want to see me by here, uno come here, uno have no time, me give uno 3-6 months. Me no come here about 2-3 months and I still can't make it act nice. Me come back to make it act nice again, go suck out on mama. That uno there uno could make it act nice. Uno come and me come here come make it act nice and uno still
Why you treat me like that?
Ivany, but listen to me. Me not gonna make you bring me down to me and my friend.
But me tell you, say me handle vibes and Mrs. Maddy send me request and me accept it. When me accept it, Mrs. Emily and me say jump Blamdem Batman and me jump.
Right.
So my people, watch your style I know. I did have some more things to share with you know. That are some things from yesterday. So here I go on. I now make that video I run out no longer. I just go share this one I have with you know, because they're fresh. You see me? So maybe add some women I go share yesterday and explain whatever. Maybe I go add the video of the real dog, add this Fabi and I think Annie, yeah, but me know someone maybe see that, so me now go share that. You know what I mean? Alright, just so me I go end it. Me I play some more Blamdem, Ivany and Nicki Minaj, and then we are go end it.
Alright then. You know why me go say catch me know me a friend.
But when me accept you never hear me say Batman jump and me jump same time.
Ivany, you can't do that. Remember say Ivany, you know, remember say me burn out them people. So if me have them for my life, you go look away, bro.
No, but me jump and tell you to jump too.
Alright.
Lord Jesus, you class me, you know.
But Ivany, me and your friend.
No, I'm not. I'm just making no sense. Me tell you if you jump and me jump, but you didn't jump same time. I didn't mean it, man.
Ivany, alright, you not think me to be truthful and tell Rosealee truth as a friend. If you have a friend, you can't tell me truth. I know your friend that. You see me, Rosealee? Ivany.
Yes.
If you have a friend, you can't tell me truth. I know your friend that. You see me, I say, bro, tell me now, which right man will take up all Rosealee with 2 pitney? Rosealee no look good. That's a 1.